Hello everyone. So in this session, I'll just showcase this error, that is an update in 3D experience. If you get while opening SolidWorks, so this will be the pop-up. In 3D experience, I will have the update 6.3 to 6.5. If you want to update, you can go ahead with that. Otherwise, use the current version. So now I want to update this. I don't want this notification again and again. For that, what you can do is you open the 3D experience from the browser and utilize the 3D experience SolidWorks collaborator. So from here you can browse from 3D compass, go to your roles. So in my roles, I'll utilize 3D experience SolidWorks collaborator, and here you just need to click on this drop down, and here if you have the updates, it's gonna show here. As you could see, it shows I'm using this one and it shows there is an update available. So you can just see the same thing here, 6.3 I'm using, so there is an update for 6.5. I'll simply click on update. So I'll select update all the roles. So it's gonna take some time to update it by just installing the files and executing the files. Yeah, it shows the software is open at the background. SolidWorks, I need to close it first. So I'm gonna do that. Just close it. I'll click on retry, and still this update is there. Once you update it, it will automatically go off. You can have a look on that update now. So the warning will automatically hide. So once you update it, you're gonna get the updates and you can work on the software. I just need to restart my software, so I'll restart my computer for this. Yep, that's all about the session. So if you get this warning, you can do like this. Thank you. Stay tuned.